guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have my very first cosmetic PR. This is from Jaiden Madison. Do you want to see what they sent and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, I am so excited that this is the very first PR that I got sent by an actual company, and I'm so excited. Like, I am so beyond excited and grateful that they wanted me to show some of their products. And I got, look at all of these. Aren't these gorgeous colors? Oh my goodness, I am so super excited. And that is a lot. I was thinking maybe one or two. Oh, this is a lot. And also a lip repair. So I'm going to go ahead and open all of these up. I'm going to swatch them. I'm going to try them on, and I'm going to show you how gorgeous all of these colors are. Hold on. Okay, you guys, now that I've removed all of the plastic tape on everything, these are just gorgeous. Okay, so again, this is all from Jaiden Madison Cosmetics. So thank you so much for sending me these products to review and to show my viewers. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And you guys, I will have their website linked down below. You can check out all of their amazing products. They don't just have lip products. They also even have like face oils and skincare products. Definitely go check them out and you can see exactly what they have. But let's go ahead and start on these. So I'm going to start with this one, which is Intention, and this is like a hot pinkish looking color. So today I did do a look that kind of goes with, should go with most of all of these colors. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, that is so nice and creamy. And it's like it doesn't look like it's going to be very dark, which I do appreciate because I'm not a huge dark lipstick wearer. So there is lipstick number 1. Okay, so that one again was called Intention. I do need to say, it's not getting on my teeth. Like, there's so many even high-end brands that I'll put on for you guys. And at the end of my video, when I'm saying bye, I'm like, oh man. And there's just all over my teeth, and these, nothing at all. So that is a definite must in my book, to have something that I'm going to feel comfortable with. If I want to slap it on, if I'm on the go, in my car, at work, I can slap it on and go on with my day. And I know that I'm not going to have anything on my teeth, because there's a lot of people that don't have the common courtesy to be like, yo, fix your teeth. You know what I'm saying? So I like that. There's nothing on my teeth whatsoever, and I really do like that color. I thought it was going to be like a bright pink based on like the color of it, but it is actually very wearable, very nice, and I love the way that it feels. I like that. Okay, so next up we have is Strive, and it is like a coral color. Let's see here. Okay, you guys, so there is, let me set this heavy mirror down. There is Strive. Okay, so next up we have is Sincere. Very pretty. Ooh, very nice. It's like a pink iridescent. It's not very dark at all. Very nice. Ooh, I like that. You see the different colors, like bling bling. It's very like iridescent, opalescent-y, and I really like that. Ooh, I really like that. All right, so next up is Honor. There is Honor. Ooh, I am liking these formulas and these colors. Look at that. Okay, let's get it on these little girls. So pretty. I really like the iridescent tinge too. Almost all of these so far have that. I love that. Sultry. Right there. So next we have is, oh, I got two of the same colors, but luckily I really like that color. These are both the same color. These are both Strive. So I already showed you that one. So then let's go with Ladylike. That looks so pretty. And then there's one more then. That pink right there. So there's that one. Okay, so the last color, and then I can see what this lip repair is. So this last color is Scandalous. One Scandalous. Can't handle this. I was like, what? Ooh, I like that one. Let's see it on these little blanks here. So there's Scandalous. Okay, you guys, so that is all of the different color variations that was sent to me to test out. There are all of the colors right there. Again, I really love the way that they feel. They feel amazing. They're nice and just creamy and give you moisture. They do not put anything on your teeth. Well, none of these did for me anyway. And they have like a really pretty, sheery, glossy, iridescent, just goodness. And I really love these. So again, thank you so much, Jaiden Madison Cosmetics, for sending me to show these to my viewers. I'm so glad to have these because I am now gonna be wearing these all the time because I love this formula and I love the colors. Plus, all of these go with the colors that I normally wear on a normal basis. So they sent me amazing colors. So thank you so much for picking these colors to send to me. They match my color scheme that I wear like every single day to a T. So you did amazing for sending me these. Now let's go ahead and see what this lip product, let's see here. It says Lip Repair, Jaiden Madison, and it says ingredients, keep in a cool place. So let's see. So there's that. And it looks like it would just be like a lip balm. Yeah, ooh, and it feels so nice. Ooh, it feels really nice. Yes. I always put a chapstick or a balm on my lips before I go to bed. I've been doing that for years. So now I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on my nightstand, and at night I'll put this on instead because that looks and feels like an amazing formula, and I know my lips are gonna feel so good. So yes, I can't wait to try this out now every day and see how it works compared to like what I normally use. So I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. So again, thank you so much for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, their website will be down below. Go ahead and check them out. They have tons of different things on their site for you to choose from. And I am loving these. I'm loving this formula. I'm loving all of these colors, the different variation. It goes with anything. So thank you so much, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of them? Did you have a favorite color? What do you think about the different colors that I did try on and the formula and what they are? Yeah. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.